Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the One mobile banking app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One mobile banking app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the sign in as well as the registration button. Tap on the sign in button and you will end up within the login portal where you will be asked to enter your username and your password. Go ahead and type in your username within the username box and then enter your password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you will also find the forgot password option within the login page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the One Bank application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.